Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your security certificates on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So do a swipe up and go to your settings and click on security and privacy. Scroll down to where you find more security settings, click on that. Now from here, you want to click on secure folder. You want to ensure that you first create a secure folder for your phone and set it up with your PIN or fingerprint, etc. Now from here, scroll all the way down to where you will find other security settings. Tap on that. Now you will find the security certificates here, so you can click on that, and from here you can view all of those security certificates that are currently shown on your phone. So as you can see, there's a wide range of different security certificates on your phone, and you can go ahead and you can view all of them. So this is how you can easily go ahead and view the security certificates on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.